Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And we shall see what's inside this box. And all you gotta do is click the link down below, place your order, and they'll ship it out to you. If it's on Amazon, I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link down below. I'm not sure yet, so we'll find out once we open it and see what it is. And like I said, all you gotta do is click the link. All links are safe to click. And thank you guys for sending me this unit for review, whatever it is. I think I might have a clue, but I could be wrong. So I'm not going to say nothing until I open it up. But this is definitely taped pretty good. Alright, here we go. Oh man. Got this nice and snug. Maybe use a little bit bigger box. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, we got some goodies. We got a thumb drive. Got a keyboard. Ooh, these are nice to have. And here we go. Here's the main unit. Oh, baby. Unblocktech.com. Thank you guys for sending me this. Smart box. Android. Number 11. Beautify your life. Alright. Unblock Tech. 8 cores, 4 gig, 64 gig, Android 12, AI voice, Wi-Fi 6, 6K HD. We'll do a little hookup, test run, all that good stuff. So, definitely excited to see how this one works. Hopefully it's like the others, but you never know. Definitely looks different. That looks like an Apple TV type deal. Super lightweight. Easy to travel with. Take this on the road with you. If you're in the hotel room, pop this in the TV. You're good to go. You don't need to pay expensive bills, especially the hotel costs. This must be the light that lights up. Yeah, it's super lightweight. Unblock Tech. Alright. Sure, no problem. Now let's see what we get inside. Might be a controller. I'm a little disorganized today. It's been a long night last night, so still trying to wake up here. Alright, ooh. Super slim. And just like the Android, but this one's white. Or just like the Fire Stick type deal. A little bit different setup though. Really cool. Is my phone gonna die? Alright, here we go. So, sorry about that. Someone was at the door. Here we go. The remote learning keys. We got the voice command. The apps. Settings. There we go. It's supposed to be the power supply. Alright, here we go again. Now we got it all out of the box. We got the HDMI cord. I'm just untangling it right now. And we're going to set it up. But I have a HDMI cord already plugged in my TV, so I'm not going to use this one today. But you could, so you got options of HDMIs to use. Either yours or you can use theirs. Well, I think everything is loaded up, so everything is good to go. All you gotta do is just, sign into your Wi-Fi password with your router, and then you should be good to go with everything. We'll do that in a minute after this part. That wasn't so bad. Pretty long cord. Standard. Now we'll take a look at this keyboard. I like these keyboards. I got a couple myself. It's always always nice to have extra. Oh yeah. Should be the USB right there. 2 batteries. Pop that out. You just plug this thing into the receiver of the Unblock text, or whatever. See, it requires 2 AAA batteries, and you're good to go. And like I said, once you plug in the receiver to your unit, it'll just log in. So you can use either this or this. It's up to you. And now, so you just find the USB slot right here. Plug her in right there. Bada boom. She's in, ready to get used. And then now, we plug in the power. Plug in the power. And then now we're going to run it HDMI. I already got one ready, so be right back. Alright guys, once you get it plugged in, it's going to light up. So you got the blue all the way around. Right there. And right there. And now you got to translate. Oh boy. Shoot. I'll be right back. Alright guys, there is a mode for English and other languages that you could choose from. So I got the English one. And now we are going to enter my Wi-Fi. Be right back. And then now once you enter your password, it's the launch is starting. So we're almost done. Bada boom. So we got everything set up. We'll give it a minute to catch up the Wi-Fi updates and everything. Like I said, you can change the theme. You can add your apps that you have, like Disney Plus, Netflix, Prime Video, the ESPN probably, Fight TV, Trilla, all those. Except. So yeah, definitely easy to set up. And we'll show what that could do. Okay. There we go. So we got Dolphin. Not installed, not installed. You got Strawberry. Strawberry. I think it's UP and UPTV. I'm just going to go off the limb. HD Theater. That might be a good one. I don't want to run it. Just because copyright will be a brief second. Okay. Whoa. Oh. There's nothing copyright about that. Really clear quality picture. Like I said, all your favorite apps in one place. Can't beat it. Definitely check out the price. And all you gotta do is add it to your cart. Confirm exit. And then we'll see what's out of theater. Probably be film. An adult. You don't want to do the adult right now. So we got pretty much everything here. A lot of international movies and everything else. So really cool. Something to pass by time, to kill time. You know, can't sleep. Pop in a movie. You got pretty much all of them. I think you could just translate it too also with your phone if you want to do it that way. Or there's probably a settings that I'm going to need to investigate right now. Languages, English, US. Okay. Hit the back button. Hit the back button. And you click up to your Bluetooth soundbar. You know, pretty much any kind of speaker you can hook it up to. There we go. There's all the settings. Check for updates. Data cleanup. You might want to do that once in a while. YouTube, Netflix, Dagobee, Market, SmartTube, Chicken Simulator. Whoa. So they got a lot of different things that they have that we don't have. So I'm not sure what the dolphin thing is, but we'll check it out. Doesn't cost nothing to install. You can always delete it, you know. We got a dolphin on our screen. Uh-oh. Password time. Uh-oh. Alexa.
Motion detected at the front door.
Oh boy. I'm not sure what's going on there. We'll go more apps. And let's take a look. HappyCast, UPTV. Download. Okay, this is a TV thing. A lot of channels. And it takes a few seconds to load up. So really cool. Definitely check them out, guys. Unblock Tech. Click the link down below. Be safe. Have a good night. Oh, before I go, we've got this. So you can go home and you can see it moving around. It is super smooth to use this one. And plus you get a keyboard. You can type in the search while you're searching for your favorite shows. That's what you gotta do. Just go by it. Go by the app. And then click run. But yeah, definitely a cool thing to have. Got the password thing again. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.